Today, I'll walk you through the best way to set up a Lemonway Business Wallet so your company can start receiving, holding, and sending payments securely. Lemonway is designed for platforms, marketplaces, and fintech projects, and the setup process must be done correctly to avoid compliance delays. Start by creating your business account directly on the Lemonway platform. Provide accurate company information, including registered business name, incorporation details, and authorized representative data. Lemonway follows strict KYC and AML compliance, so every document needs to be clear, valid, and consistent. Prepare your certificate of incorporation, proof of address, shareholder structure, and the valid IDs of all beneficial owners. Upload the documents in high resolution to ensure approval on the first review. Once your account is validated, proceed to create the operational business wallet. This wallet will serve as the financial hub that receives customer payments, holds balances, and transfers money to your company bank account. Assign a wallet label that matches your internal accounting structure and activate the currency options you intend to use. Lemonway supports multiple currencies, but USD is typically used for cross-border fintech operations. Next, configure your payout bank account to allow smooth withdrawals from your Lemonway wallet. Add your business bank details exactly as they appear on the account. Lemonway verifies ownership automatically to ensure the wallet is linked to a legitimate company account. After that, integrate the API keys into your business platform. The API enables automated wallet funding, escrow handling, and tracking of every transaction. Activate webhook notifications to monitor wallet activity in real time. This ensures you never miss a payment or compliance alert. Finally, perform a small test transaction to confirm that the wallet accepts funds, records them accurately, and allows controlled disbursement. Once confirmed, your Lemonway Business Wallet is fully operational and ready for scalable financial activity.